Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm sharing a little clip from an interview we did with Ronnie. He's a fellow YouTuber and Uber driver. All his links will be down below, but before we get started, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a company that gives you a tablet completely for free to put in the back of your car if you're an Uber or Lyft driver. Riders can play games on there, and in turn, you can get up to an extra $100 per month, so I definitely recommend getting one. If you are interested, we have a link down below for that, so be sure to check out Play Octopus. Anyways, let's get into the video.
So since you've been driving Uber for so long, do you think like a lot of things have changed over the years, like the rates or like how the app works?
Yeah, for sure. Like when I first started driving, the features of, you knowing how much money that you're getting up front and also where exactly the trips are going, that wasn't implemented. I mean, yeah, the bonus and incentives were, you know, a lot, more like in the past, but the nature of the game is overall the same for me. It's like you got to be disciplined, you got to get out there, you got to put the work in, and that's just how it is. So, um, as far as the app, yeah, the features of the upfront details and the trip destinations wasn't there like earlier, and I'm trying to think what else was not implemented. Nah, that's all I could really think of right now. And I'm sure a lot of people markets have changed since the whole pandemic or whatever. So that changed a lot. And I
Yeah,
was still
true.
driving during like 2020. It was slow, but I was still getting out there trying to get it done because I knew for a fact, one, it's all on me. I was testing myself, and I knew if I could get through this 2020, like everything else would be easy. So instead of like what most people was doing during the pandemic, just chilling at the house and uh, on EDD, not working. I was still, like working, trying to work on myself and try to get through it because that's the only thing that you can do. You don't have the time and luxury to be lazy. And if you are lazy, you're gonna suffer later on in life. So I always say if you on earth, you screwed. Either way, either you're gonna be fucked on the front because you have to put the work in to better yourself and live a better life later on, or you do nothing right now and live good right now, then later on you're gonna be screwed. So the choice is yours.
Yeah, see, you gotta think about if like what's more worth it to you, the short term or the long term
Yeah, and
result.
people just they don't, one, like I said, they don't plan and they don't think. It's just all about fun for most people. Like, going and hanging out with, like I said, hanging out with friends and going to brunch and drinking White Claws and hiking. I mean, that's fine, but it's like that to me that doesn't interest me. I'm trying to get paid, man, and you got to sacrifice if you really want to get to the top and fix your life. I mean, the choice is there's no right or wrong answer. It all depends on which how ambitious you are and the goals that you set out for yourself. Only because it's something that's gonna be telling you. Like it's like you'll feel it, like within yourself. Like you won't be able to sleep, and I think that that's another reason why people get like anxiety and anxious because it's something to tell them that they have to do something, but they're not doing nothing, and doing nothing, not taking action, being complacent. That's where they get all the nervousness and the fear. Like, no, execute and act. Simple.
That's some good advice. Yeah, y'all watching should listen to him. I think these are like good tips.